In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a reusable, washable, kind of like mop head for the Swiffer Wet Jet. This is my Swiffer Wet Jet here, and the mop heads that come with this thing are just like this. They kind of look like, you know, a diaper. They have the strip in the middle here, and these are the disposable ones. They have this little like kind of locking technology here that seems to work okay. It does come apart. Mine, you know, sometimes pops off right there. But the thing with these, they're disposable. So you use them once, you clean once or twice, you pretty much throw them away, so you're constantly buying them. So what I wanted to do was try out some of these reusable ones, and this is from the company, I think it's called MyKEEPOW maybe, and there's 6 of them that come in here. They're this, you know, they're the nice purple color, just like this one. Believe it or not, this one's been used right here. The material right here seems to grip really good onto the mop head, and they work extreme. They basically work like a real mop. This has been the best alternative to like a disposable pad that I've seen on the market for these, and I have been really impressed with these, everybody. You use them, you pretty much do the whole floor. I put the disposable one back on here to kind of do like a test of side by side. The fibers on these things seem to be very long, and they're a little more absorbent than what this pad is right here. So this pad like will absorb, but not even close to this. And when I'm pushing it, there's a little bit of resistance like you would be pushing a real mop, where this is more kind of slides really fast. When you look at it, it just has like a slippery paper feel. When you look at this, that's like an actual mop feel. So I'm going to go ahead, and that hardwood floor here, I'm just going to do one side. I'm going to use the disposable pad and just kind of like show you, because I've been using this, you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this pad out. Then I'll put one of these on, and I'll show you how easy that just locks on there. Then I'll do the other side with the MyKEEPOW mop head. So let's go ahead and let's put the MyKEEPOW over here. Let's take this one and this one. Let's put these aside. Okay, here we go. What I'm going to do is just go right here, you know, push your little button. So I'm going to push the button. There's the WetJet. I'm just going to kind of like show y'all using the pad right there. Not bad, you know, it works, but like I said, it kind of feels just like paper being slid across the floor. And I think, you know, it does what it says it's going to do, but like I said, the problem is you use this once and we have to pull it off. So to pull this off, I basically just do like that, pull that off. And a lot of times, even if you do pull it off by accident and you have to put it back on, these things seem to peel off pretty easy. See how slippery that is now? So let's put that one aside. Now check this out. So here's the MyKEEPOW. All you got to do is just line it up, push it on there. You know, I could have done that a little better, but look how nice. Wow, that's on there. That's on there tough. It goes on extremely well. So basically, to line these up, you pretty much just put it right down on there like that. It seems to fit pretty good. It's a little larger on here, but this one's been used, so it's a little stretched. But let me go ahead and start using this pad and show you how well this one works. So let's squirt a little bit. Now see, this one feels like a real mop, and it even sounds like a mop. Everybody, I really like these pads. I think they've done a good job on these. I can tell you by using it here, it just has a better flow to it, and it just seems like it's getting a little more absorption. One of the main benefits of this is the fact that I can use it here, take it off, put it in the bag, and then wash it, and I'm all good to go. And then, like I said, to take it off, you basically put your foot on it like that. Well, I'm doing it one-handed here. Look at how hot, look how nice that Velcro actually locks down on there. That locks down on there pretty good. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the MyKEEPOW mop pads for the Swiffer Wet Jet. See you on the next video.